Men over 50, let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up with that powerful, natural morning mood that made you feel like a man again? Be honest. Do you miss that drive, that spark, that energy that once came effortlessly in your 20s and 30s? What if I told you, there's a simple vitamin you can take before bed that could help bring it back? Yes. One small nutrient taken at the right time of day that could make the difference between dragging yourself out of bed tired, stiff, and frustrated versus waking up feeling alive, energized, and ready for the day. Sounds too simple, right? That's exactly why most men miss it. But in today's video, I'm going to reveal what this vitamin is, why it's crucial for men over 50, how it influences your body's morning mood, and the exact way to use it for maximum results. Stick with me because I promise, by the end of this video, you'll see your nights and your mornings very differently. Now, let's start with a question. Have you noticed mornings aren't what they used to be? Maybe you wake up sluggish. Maybe the energy isn't there. Maybe you feel older than your years. And here's the truth. This isn't just normal aging. Science now shows that after the age of 40, your body begins to lose critical nutrients at a faster pace. By the time you're 50, this loss is often severe enough to affect your sleep, your hormones, your metabolism, and yes, even your ability to wake up with that strong, natural morning mood. See, your body runs on a delicate clock. Your hormones rise and fall with your circadian rhythm, the sleep-wake cycle that controls everything from testosterone to energy to mood. But here's the catch. If your body is missing one key vitamin, this cycle gets disrupted. And when the cycle is disrupted, sleep quality drops. Hormones get out of balance. Your body struggles to recharge overnight. And your mornings, they suffer. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Which vitamin is it? Hold on, we'll get there. But first, let me paint the full picture so you understand why this matters more than ever, especially if you're a man in America today. Let me share a quick story. A man named Mark, 56 years old from Ohio, wrote to me after his doctor told him his testosterone was low for his age. He felt tired all the time, his mornings were flat, and his motivation was shot. He tried coffee, he tried energy drinks, he even tried expensive supplements online, but nothing worked. Until one day he read a small study buried in a medical journal about a vitamin most men overlook. He started taking it at night, just before bed. And within weeks, he told me, "Doc, I don't know what's happening, but I'm waking up different. My mornings feel alive again." Now, don't misunderstand me. This isn't magic, it's science. And the best part, this vitamin is cheap, safe, and sitting in almost every pharmacy aisle in America. But here's why most men miss it. Timing. It's not just about taking this vitamin, it's about when you take it. Because at night, your body uses it to repair, recover, and reset your hormone balance. And if you miss that window, you might as well be tossing your money away. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it vitamin D? Is it magnesium, zinc, B vitamins? You've heard of all of them. But which one is the real before bed vitamin for men over 50? Well, here's a clue. Think about this. More than 40% of US adults are deficient in this nutrient. Deficiency skyrockets in men over 50. Low levels are directly linked to poor sleep, weak testosterone, and reduced morning mood. And yet, it costs less than a cup of coffee a month. Have you guessed it yet? I'll give you another hint. This vitamin is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It helps regulate nerves, muscles, blood sugar, blood pressure, and hormones. And without enough of it, your body literally cannot produce energy properly. The answer is magnesium. Yes, magnesium, the quiet hero mineral. Now, before you roll your eyes, thinking you've heard of magnesium before, listen carefully, because most men in America today are walking around with dangerously low levels of magnesium. And they don't even know it. Why? Because modern farming strips it from our soil. Processed foods remove it from our diets. Stress burns through it faster. Alcohol drains it. Even common medications like acid blockers lower magnesium absorption, and here's the kicker. Magnesium is required for testosterone production, deep sleep, muscle relaxation, and nitric oxide release. Yes, nitric oxide, the very same molecule that opens blood vessels and fuels strong, healthy circulation in the morning. Now you see why magnesium is so powerful. When you take it before bed, magnesium calms your nervous system, helps you fall asleep faster, increases deep restorative sleep, balances cortisol, your stress hormone, and primes your testosterone for the morning surge. The result? You wake up refreshed, energized, and with that youthful drive again. And here's something fascinating. Studies show that men who restore healthy magnesium levels see improvements not just in sleep and mood, but in morning testosterone levels by as much as 30%. Now you might be asking, okay, how do I take magnesium the right way? Great question. First, choose the right type. Magnesium oxide? Cheap but poorly absorbed. Skip it. Magnesium citrate? Better, but can upset the stomach. Magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-threonate. These are the best forms for sleep, relaxation, and hormone balance. Second, dosage. Most men over 50 need 300 to 400 milligrams daily. That's usually 2 capsules at night. Third, timing. Take it 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That way, it helps your body relax into deep sleep while supporting overnight hormone balance. And finally, consistency. Don't just take it once and expect miracles. Magnesium works gradually, replenishing your body's stores over weeks. Give it 30 to 60 days and you'll feel the difference. Now imagine this. You're 55, 60, maybe even 70, and you wake up tomorrow morning feeling like you've rewound the clock 20 years. Your body feels lighter, your mind sharper, and yes, that natural morning mood is back. Not because of a drug, not because of a gimmick, but because you gave your body the one mineral it's been craving for decades. So, my friend, the choice is yours. Ignore this message and keep dragging yourself through tired, empty mornings. Or take action tonight, add magnesium before bed, and rediscover the mornings you thought were gone forever. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried magnesium before bed? Did you notice a difference? Drop your experience in the comments. I read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more men's health tips, and share this with a friend over 50 who needs this message. Remember, you're not too old. You're not done. With the right nutrients, the right habits, and the right mindset, your best mornings are still ahead of you.